Ever I see boys and girls and lanterns on the street, I remember the child in a manger as she sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I remember that Christmas is truly in the heart. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where the nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.